Hey, have this golf cart here. It won't start. It will crank and eventually backfire. But it will not start. Just cranks and backfires. So, going to check the valve clearance. Leave the valve cover right here. Going to pop that off and see what's under there. Also have a air line here. Pop off. Got the bolts out. There should be a gasket behind this. I don't want to tear up, so I'm going to very gently try to get this loose without tearing up that gasket. There we go. Alright. Did a good job with that. Gasket is still intact. And there you are. This lock nut is an 8mm, so just loosen that. And then this should, this I can turn with my finger, so I don't even need a wrench for the adjustment part. So I will put my feeler gauge in there and back it off a touch. That is nice and firm. I'm actually going to try this. Okay, so I don't want my feeler gauge to compress my valve at all. I want that to slide right in. That's a good solid 4 thousandths right there. And I can tighten this lock nut back down without turning the adjustment. Make sure I'm still, that's perfect. Do the same thing on this one. I'll loosen my locking nut first. Stick my feeler gauge in there. I know you're in the dark here, but it's basically the same thing. I stick the gauge in there. I'm going to finger tight that against the gauge and then set my lock nut. Like that. Check it, and I can feel drag, as that slides through there, but it is not forcing, and it's not a loose fit. That's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and just check the snug on these. Now, you don't want to over tighten these lock nuts. This is all pretty delicate. That's why they make little bitty wrenches like this. For jobs like this, you don't want to use a great big old adjustable wrench and over tighten something. So that's good. My valves are now set. I don't know if that's going to help my problem or not. Nothing was wildly out. I don't see any broken springs or anything. My issue was it wouldn't start. I was backfiring. One of the first things to check is your valve gap, and that's what we've done. So we'll put it back together and see what happens.